The government issued a clarification on the alleged audio of Ali Ameen, Ganda. In response to the press conference of Federal Interior Minister Rana Sanalla, Barrister Saif said that Ali Ameen Ganda is talking about licensed weapons in the audio. There is nothing wrong in having a licensed weapon for one's own protection if a licensed guard is on duty. What is the harm in being an official? Ali Ameen Ganda is an asset of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. He said that Rana Sanalla himself is talking about hooliganism and violence. I have never seen such a poor home minister in my life. Rana Sana is resorting to lies to save his 27 kilometers empire, imported Govt.